Want Gmail to track all your packages automatically so you never have to dig through old emails again? I'll show you how to turn on package tracking in the Gmail app and make keeping up with deliveries effortless. First, open the Gmail app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the account where you receive your order confirmation emails. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This will slide open Gmail's main menu. Scroll down this menu until you spot the Settings option. Tap it to enter Gmail's preferences. If you have multiple email accounts connected, you'll see them listed here. Tap the one where you want package tracking enabled. Inside your account settings, scroll carefully until you reach the package tracking option. It may be near the bottom, so keep going until you find it. Now tap the checkbox or toggle switch next to package tracking to turn it on. Once activated, Gmail will automatically detect shipping confirmations, pull out the tracking details, and show the package's current status right at the top of the related email. From now on, you'll be able to see estimated delivery dates, delay alerts, and status updates without leaving Gmail. No more copy-pasting tracking numbers or switching between shipping apps. If you enjoyed this guide, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tips, and make your online shopping even smoother.